trespassing poison, acid rain. In the early 1960s, Swedish scientists became concerned over a dramatic decline in fish populations in many of their lakes. Their studies showed that the lakes had become highly acidic over the past 4 decades, so acidic that tiny fish could not survive. Research led into the air and out of the country to the factories of the English Midlands and the Ruhr Valley of Germany, where oxides of sulfur and nitrogen spewed from industrial smokestacks. These chemicals reacted in the air with oxygen and moisture to form pockets of a dilute sulfuric and nitric acid. Downwind from the industrial areas of the concentrated acids washed back to earth in rains, snows, hail, or fogs that were often as acidic as vinegar. Unexpectedly, industry in one part of the world was affecting the health of another part. And that is the trespassing poison, acid rain. Have a great day.